Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We take up the fourth lecture today, and this lecture is about the behavioral school on leadership. The background is that we start from the fundamental concepts of the traits, which is mainly focused on the innate and inborn characteristics and qualities of the leaders. But the later school of thoughts they disagreed with this notion that leaders are born and not made. They rather emphasized that leaders can be made rather than born. But in the two concepts, in the skill approach, there was more focus on the skills, which can again considered three fundamental inputs. The first is the individual attributes, and then there is a competencies and set of competencies, and then the environmental influences, which includes the internal and external environment and the task and performance. So, in that context, it was an improved version of the earlier theory. But in the matter of fact, the next behavioral school of thought, which mainly came from the Blake and Newton like schools, uh, then decided that how the trade-off between the task and the relationship is done by the leaders. The task is no doubt the most important part of the leadership, and the outcome and performance of the task is having paramount importance. But at the same time, it cannot be made alone without having a good relationship. So this created a new debate that how the task and the behaviors the relationships can be trade off, and how the different leaders in different circumstances would like to see that whether emphasis on task is high important or emphasis on the relationship or the human being is important. So this takes us to the new concept, and that is called which were 1970 concern for orientation or structure orientation, which we called in the earlier studies, was basically concerned with the organizational tasks. And it definitely included a large range of varieties, for example, the policy decision, new product development, process issues, budgeting, workload, sales volume, and so on. Uh, the other was the concern for people, which later to the attendant to attends to the people in the organization who are trying to achieve its goals. This concern includes building organizational commitment and trust, promoting the personal growth of followers, providing good working conditions, maintaining a fair salary structure, and so on. So this the famous managerial grade of the Blake and Newton, which was something you can see in this picture. That this was basically a if you, I just want to make this.